In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a strip in Wix. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to enhance the design and appeal of their Wix website, allowing you to create a more visually captivating experience for your visitors. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website editor and opening up your site. You can access this through the Wix dashboard by clicking on Edit Site. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a variety of tools and features at your disposal on the left-hand side. What we're particularly interested in today is adding an element, specifically an image, to a strip on your website. So, let's start by clicking on the Add button, which you can find on the left side panel. Once you click it, a menu will appear showcasing a variety of elements you can integrate into your site. Now search for strip. Strips are versatile design components that span the entire width of your page, and they can be customized with various content types including text, images, and videos. Once you've located the strip options, you'll see several templates like Classic, Featured, About, Services, and more. For our demonstration today, let's choose the Classic template. Selecting this will add a default strip to your site layout. You can resize and position this strip according to your design preferences. Now that we have our strip in place, it's time to incorporate an image. Head back to the Add panel on the left-hand side, click it again, and this time choose Image from the options. Once selected, you'll have the opportunity to either use images from Wix's collection or upload your own. To use a personal image, simply click Upload Images. A window will open, giving you the option to upload from your computer. Browse through your files and select the image you wish to add to your strip, then click Open. Once your image is successfully uploaded, drag and drop it onto the strip. Wix's editor is quite intuitive and allows you to position and resize the image just the way you want. Simply click and drag the corners of the image to adjust it within the strip until you're satisfied with how it complements your design. And that's it! You've successfully added an image to a strip in Wix. Don't forget to save your work and preview your site to see how it looks in real time. Adding images this way not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also makes it more engaging and inviting for visitors. With practice, you'll become more adept at utilizing strips and images to create a stunning and professional-looking website. Thank you for watching, and happy editing with Wix!